The app-controlled Gardena Smart System offers the convenient solution for automated and intelligent garden care, allowing you to keep your lawn perfectly mowed and your plants optimally watered with a variety of smart products and functions. In this video, we will show you how to care for your lawn with the help of Gardena's Smart System, which includes the intelligent Smart Seleno robotic lawnmowers, coming with a variety of helpful functions. Adding your new robot to the Gardena Smart app is easy, and we will guide you through the step-by-step installation process. Once installed, use the Smart Assistant to set up the optimal mowing schedule, such as allowing your kids to play in the garden undisturbed in the afternoon, or restricting mowing to daylight hours to protect our nocturnal friends. The Smart Robotic Mower also features the unique and innovative Lona Intelligence, which creates a map of your lawn, allowing you to divide it into different zones with your smartphone. This feature enables you to mow certain areas of your lawn more often than others, such as where the grass grows faster. You can also set up so-called exclusion zones. This allows to avoid mowing certain parts of your lawn, such as a flower meadow, perhaps to let a flower meadow grow there for a while. And with location tracking, you can see where your robot is at any time. This can be especially helpful in larger and cluttered gardens. By the way, you can not only mow your lawn smartly. The Gardena Smart System can also be expanded over time, allowing you to water your lawn or even your entire garden the convenient and efficient way.